Sama-sama po tayo magsiyaan dito sa Itbulaga.
Yes!
Napakadami ng looking forward to baby! Ladies!
Teka, hindi ba kompleto?
Ladies, may umaapila sa likod ko eh.
Ano?
Babati rin daw siya.
Oh, sige, bati ka.
Oh, English, okay. Di ako ready pero good afternoon to all of you Dabber Cats. Hope you enjoy the show. May hinanda kami sa inyo, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, stay tuned.
God bless.
God bless always and see you soon.
Uy, pareho tayo ng buhok ah.
Uy, meron pang gustong bumati sa barangay.
There's also bass in Barangay.
Yes.
Oh, there they are.
Ang mga English
Oh, Sen
speaking.
Wally.
Yes, everybody, we're here now and together with the Bay.
Yes. John and Kim.
John and Kim, that's Jose, the ultimate babe.
Mga Dabber Cats! Kumusta po kayo?
On Saturday, we would like to thank all the Bay fans. And there's a lot of a struggle about 1 year. We expect a good show.
Aha.
And,
Excuse me.
Yes?
Bay ka ba?
no, may Bay ako. Ano ka ba?
Daddy Bay.
Oh, bati lang naman si Jose. Kayo naman.
Babatiin naman natin si Kim tsaka si John.
Eto na nga. Go.
Mga Dabber Cats! Dito sa barangay, dyan sa Broadway. At syempre sa team abroad because balikbayan ako. So, hope you guys doing well.
Tagalog, Tagalog!
Sabi nila English.
Tagalog sila at English.
I want an
ako.
accent.
Baliktad
Barangay
dapat.
tayo. Masa to. Tagalog. Tagalog.
Mga Dabber Cats.
Sige, tuturuan
Nose
kita.
split na
Sige.
si Kim.
Tuturuan ko. Ikaw muna.
Pero mga Dabber Cats, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Alingaw.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Yan.
That's good.
Go. Ulit.
Maraming salamat mga Dabber Cats. Salamat
Yan.
mga Dabber Cats sa support. Make sure you watch us on Bay Day, Saturday.
Tagalog pa rin. Dapat
Saturday.
susuporta
On
Sa
Saturday.
pagsusuporta
ninyo sa amin.
araw-araw
Araw-araw. Nangangalaga.
Naghang.
Humahanga
kumahanga
sa amin.
sa amin.
Yan.
Loading pa eh.
Okay, John.
How about you, John? You can say something.
Okay,
You want to say something?
since Kim was Tagalog, ako naman English.
Okay, sige. English ka.
Okay, hello mga Dabber Cats and Bay Nation at the studio. Team Bahay, Team Barangay, and Team Abroad.
Barangay.
Oh,
Grabe. Wala
ikaw.
akong
I-try mo yung
say.
Tagalog. Lugod akong naliligayahan.
Ano yon?
Ano ulit?
Lugod akong naliligayahan.
Lugod ako nalilig.
Lugod!
Lugod.
Ako naliligayahan.
Lugod ako nalilig.
Gayahan.
Nalilagayahan.
Ligayahan.
Sino nilalagyan niyo dyan?
Yan, sa lahat
Ayan.
ng sumusuporta.
Sa lahat na sumusuporta.
Yan.
Sakit sa ilong, tsaka sa utak.
It's a Bay Day on Saturday.
So what do we expect on Saturday? What am I
Wow.
doing?
Wow. Ano yan? Gusto nyo?
Just watch us on Bay Day. It's our 1-year celebration. It's a chance to give back to the fans.
Wow.
We have a lot to show. It's a big surprise Saturday. Abangan niyo po.
At may inanda rin ang mga Dabber Cats natin dyan sa Broadway ang Challenge
Accepted!
Sa Sabado na yan, abangan natin ang Bay Day. Pero ngayon, ituloy muna natin ang bakbakan at kantahan dito sa Challenge Accepted!
Hatid sa inyo ng Flanax. Win with all-day pain relief.
Kahapon, sina Hot Mamas, Maui Taylor and Aubrey Miles ang nagboxing while singing. At ang champion, si Maui.
Today naman, mga dancers ang magpapakita ng galing sa pagkanta habang nagbaboxing. It's Mocha Girl May versus Evie Babe Laika!
Dapat no holds barred to, ha? 36 audience judges ang uhusga sa kanila at nakatutok na sila.
At kasama nilang mamimili ng panalo ang may viral boxing video with more than 38 million views. Sinon Rogelia Loresca.
Grabe talaga. Hi, girl! 38 million views! Naka-semi-final ka na naman, girl!
Ako pa ba? Ano eh?
Lalaban ako.
Okay. Gusto ko yung boxing niya, parang tahishan. Okay, mas alamin pa natin ang labanan. Ito na si Dabber Cats Ryan!
3 rounds. Round 1, mapapalaban sila sa boxing training system.
Round
Ching, ikaw
1.
na. Round 2. Kailangang i-knock out ang punching bag. Acheng, ito. Oh, knock out mo. Yan na, oh. Gora. Panalo! Round 3! Eto na, sparring time! Tawagin natin ang sparring partner natin, fitness instructor from Down Under, Gov Lloyd! Gov Lloyd, what is the combination for today?
Today's combination is straight hook.
Straight
I'm
hook.
not straight. Sorry.
Go!
I said, hook.
Ala. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Para-paraan lang to eh. Thank you very much, Rogelia. Thank you very much, Gov Lloyd. Now, let the back-to-back boxing and singing challenge begin. From the red corner, weighing 88 pounds, WBA Super Light Minimum Weight dancer and one of the Mocha Girls, May de la Serna. Halika dito, May. May, 88 pounds.
Yes.
Meron ka bang mensahe sa iyong makakalaban?
Meron. Kumari ko yan si Maring Laika. Maring Laika. Team Puyaters. Nagpuyat talaga kami para mag-practice mag-boxing.
Alright. May, good luck sa iyong pagpupuyat.
Thank you.
Sana may may marating yan. Humanda na kay Mocha Girl, May!
Oh, baby, baby.
Round 1.
Oh, baby, baby. How was I supposed to know? There's something wasn't right, yeah. Oh, pretty baby, I should have known that. And now you're out of sight, yeah. Showing me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign.
Round 2.
One more time. Oh, baby, baby, the reason I break is you. Boy, you got me blinded. Oh, pretty baby, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because
Round 3.
it's killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, I must confess.
Time is up.
Hindi kami makapaniwala. 88 pounds ka lang, May. Totoo. Ano ka ba, sanggol? 4 years old ka lang ba?
Maliit kasi ako.
Maliit. Petite. Petite pero sexy.
Mas sexy kayo, syempre. Mas sexy kayo.
Ikaw, Mami, matagal ka na nagbaboxing.
First time ko po.
First time. Pero it looks from your physique naman mukhang very fit ka. Kamusta yung boxing and singing experience?
Para sa akin, mas mahirap pala yung mag-boxing tapos kumakanta. Kesa sa kumakanta at sumasayaw, mas mahirap.
Kasi siguro mas nag-exert ka ng effort with boxing, no? Kailangan may force talaga.
Sobra.
Compared sa pagsayaw.
Well done. It's nice to see you again, May. Tignan natin kung mananockout ka nitong
Ex-EB Babe, tsaka sa present EB
ng
Babe.
present EB Babe.
Correct. Ito na ang challenger nating susunod, Ryan.
From the blue corner, weighing 120 pounds, WBA bantamweight member of the EB Babes. Moti, wala na iba? Ito na talaga. Laika Relioso! Laika, halika dito! Uy, Laika, sigurado ka ba sa gagawin mo?
Oo, kuya.
Boxing to!
Ay,
Guys, ano ba? Baka pag tinamaan to, sure ka ha?
Kaya ko, kuya.
Kaya yan ha? Ilag-ilag ha?
Oo,
Baka ma-straight eh.
kaya yan.
Ano bang gusto mo sabihin? Ano bang gusto mo sabihin sa kasama mo?
Kay May, ayan. Good luck sa atin. Saka, magaling din siya, magaling talaga, kaya natin to.
O sige, Laika, ingat ha? Let's see if she can do it. Here's EB Babe, Laika!
Look for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe. Looking for you, babe. Searching for you,
Round
babe.
one!
Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out. Are you hiding from me? Yeah. Somewhere in the have you been? Oh my life, oh my life, where have you been all my life? Where have you been all my life? Where have you been all my life? Where have you been all my life?
Round three!
I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, searching for you, babe. Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out. Are you hiding from me? Yeah. Somewhere in the crowd.
Time is up!
Thank you, Laika!
Ang bangis ni Laika doon
Parang ano lang it's just like a walk in the park.
Ngayon ko na siya nakitang gano'ng kabangis. Usually to, pa-sweet-sweet.
Oo. Ano, kaya pa ba? Pero parang mahihimatay na. Hindi na makapagsalita.
Parang hindi na siya makaimik.
Oo. Di ba, ikaw ay isang gondolier?
Yes.
Ano bang mas mahirap? Yung kumakanta ka na nagpapaandar ng...
Nagsasagwan?
Oo, nagsasagwan o ito?
Ito po. Kasi first time ko siyang ginawa. Sobrang challenging po talaga tong kumakanta ka na habang nagbaboxing. Pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi nagawa ko siya.
Nice. Good job, Laika.
Okay, it's time! Boxing showdown na!
We give back Mocha Girl May versus EB Babe Laika.
Time's up.
Okay parang meron akong nararamdaman na animosity.
Wow.
Yung former at saka yung present may gustong patunayan.
May tension ba?
Oh, may tension.
Maraming salamat, Mocha Girl May and Evie Babe Laika.
Maraming salamat din kay Gov Lloyd at kay Rogelia na saksakan ng harot. Kaya naman pawis na pawis siya.
Init, may treadmill na ako.
Oh, di ba?
Ikaw na ang pinakapawis, hindi ka naman contestant.
Akala ko mula sa labas eh.
Mga judges, boto na, text na.
Mamaya malalaman natin ang resulta